Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing indicator light bulb on this Nissan Qashqai. uh, so we're going to be using 10 mm socket to undo the two bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. We'll have to remove the whole tailgate light to get to it. uh, there's no way we can get to the bulbs from inside the tailgate because it's all covered by the carpet. So that's what I'm doing now. So two 10 mm bolts, and then we're gonna pull the tailgate light towards us to get to the light bulb. So this is just a demonstration purpose because the bulb is fine, there's no need of changing the bulb, so I thought I'd just make a video on that one to demonstrate how to change the indicator light bulb. And the other lights are all LEDs, so they are for lifetime, you don't have to change them. Right, just gonna place the light back in into the wing. So the front pin lines up first, and then you just push it in, and that's how it places in. There we go. Just going to scare with them two small 10 mm bolts. Okay, there we go. Thank you very much for watching the video.